Hi students, good morning. The value of sin square alpha minus pi by 4 plus sin square alpha plus pi by 12 minus sin square alpha minus pi by 12 is equal to 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 1, 0 options. So this is a sin square alpha minus pi by 4 means this is 45 degrees. This is a sin square alpha plus this is pi by 12. 180 by 12 is 15 degrees. Sin square 15 degrees minus a sin square alpha minus 15 degrees. Now we are using the formulas. Cos 2 alpha is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square alpha implies from this sin square alpha is equal to, you can take this side and 1 minus, so this is cos 2 alpha by 2 using this formula. And one formula is, this is sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is equal to, so this is a sin square a minus a sin square b. Sin square a minus sin square b equal to sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. So for first part, this is sin square alpha. You write 1 minus, so this is 1 minus cos 2 into 1 cos 2 alpha. The whole thing is alpha. Alpha minus 45 degrees by 2. Plus this is sin square, this is, let it be a, this is b. So this is sin square a minus a sin square b form. Now we have to write sin of a plus b. So this is a sin of a plus b, alpha plus 15 degrees plus alpha minus 15 degrees into sin of a minus b. Sin of alpha plus 15 degrees minus alpha minus 15 degrees. So this is 1 minus cos of 2 alpha minus 90 degrees. 2 alpha minus 90 degrees by 2 plus this is a sin of, so 15 degrees gets cancelled, sin 2 alpha into, so this is alpha gets cancelled, 15 minus of minus 15. So this is sin 30 degrees. So this is 1 minus cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. So this is cos of, if you take minus is taken common, you can write 90 minus 2 alpha. Minus common because of cos of minus theta equal to cos theta by 2 plus this is sin 2 alpha into sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 minus sin of 90 minus, so the cos of 90 minus is, this is sin 2 alpha by 2 plus sin 2 alpha by 2. Now 2 is LCM is 2. So this is 1 minus sin 2 alpha plus sin 2 alpha. 2 alpha gets cancelled, that is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Next one. So I will give you the same model problem. You should try. Cos square alpha minus pi by 4 plus cos square alpha plus pi by 4 minus cos square alpha minus pi by 4 is equal to, prove that, 1 by 2. Okay, this also, so here, by using the formulas cos 2 alpha is equal to 2 cos square alpha minus 1 implies 2 cos square alpha is equal to 1 plus cos 2 alpha. Cos square alpha equal to by 2. So this is one formula. And also, again this is one formula, sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is equal to, there are two formulas. One is sin square a minus a sin square b, and the second one is cos square b minus cos square a. Now this is what I will form, cos square b minus cos square a. So this is b and this is a. Okay. Now write sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b, just like the previous sum. So you get the answer 1 by 2. Okay. You just, the remaining part you have to complete. Next one. Just prove that cot of pi by 12 minus a plus a tan of pi by 12 plus a is equal to 4 into cos 2a by 1 minus 2 sin 2a. 1 minus, so that is 2 sin 2a. Now this is LHS. So this is cot of, so this is what, 15 degrees, 180 by 12 is 15, minus a, plus this is the tan of 15 degrees plus a. Now cot a is equal to, you can convert in terms of cos and sine. So this is cos of 15 degrees minus a by, so this is a sine of 15 degrees minus a plus this is sine of 15 degrees plus a by, so this is cos of 15 degrees plus a. Now by taking LCM, so this is LCM is LCM, this is a sine 15 degrees minus a into cos of 15 degrees plus a. LCM. So these two. So this is cos of 15 degrees plus a into cos of 15 degrees minus a plus, so this is a sine of 15 degrees plus a into sine of 15 degrees minus a. Minus a. This is just like cos a cos b plus sin b form. Cos a cos b plus sin b is equal to cos of a minus b. So cos a cos b minus sin A sin or sin plus sin A sin B is equal to, so this is cos of A minus B form. So numerator is, so this is cos of A minus B, A is 15 degrees plus A, minus of 15 degrees minus A, by here this is 2, this is sin 15 degrees minus A into cos of 15 degrees plus A. So this is equal to 15 degrees gets cancelled, minus of minus, that is plus. So this is cos 2A by, this is sin of 15 degrees minus A into cos of 15 degrees plus A. Plus A. Now multiplying dividing by 2. So this is 2 cos 2A by, so this is 2 into sin of 15 degrees minus A into cos of 15 degrees plus A. And again this is 2 sin A cos B is equal to, again we have the formula 2 sin A cos B. Now we have sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. The formula is what? 2 sin A cos B. Now this is just like 2 sin A cos B form. 2 sin A cos B. Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. So that is equal to, that you can write here, that is 2 cos 2A by, so this sin of A plus B. So this is a sin of, where A is 15 degrees minus A plus 15 degrees plus A. Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Sin of A minus B where A is, so this is 15 degrees minus A minus of, that is minus 15 degrees minus A, minus of, so for multiplying with minus here, so this is A gets cancelled here, this is A 15 degrees gets cancelled, that is equal to, this is a 2 cos 2A by, so sin, this is sin 30 degrees plus this is minus A, sin of minus 2A plus this is a sin of minus 2A. Okay, just write down. So this is equal to 2 cos 2A by, so sin 30 is what? 1 by 2 minus, so sin of minus 2A is minus sin 2A, minus sin 2A. So this is 2 cos 2A by taking LCM is 2 LCM. So this is 1 minus 2 sine 2a, which is equal to 2 comes in numerator. So therefore this becomes what? 4 cos 2a by 1 minus 2 sine 2a. So this is the result. Next one, prove that 4 into cos 12 degrees into cos 48 degrees into cos of 70 degrees is equal to cos of 36 degrees. Now taking LHS. LHS is this, right? 2 times of cos 12 degrees into 2 into cos 48 degrees into cos of 70 degrees. I can write 4, you can write 2 times of 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2. Now this, right, this is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B is equal to 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B. So 2 cos A cos B equal to what? Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So that is equal to 2 into cos 12 degrees. This is cos of A plus B, cos of 48 degrees plus 72 degrees plus cos of A minus B, 48 degrees minus 72 degrees. This is 2 into cos 12 degrees. This is cos of, you are adding these two, cos 120 degrees. Next plus, this is cos of, this is minus 24 degrees. Minus 24. So this is 2 into cos 12 degrees into cos 120. So cos of 120 is equal to, so this is cos of 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. Second quadrant here, second quadrant, so this is cos is negative. Cos negative, so this is minus sine 30 degrees, that is equal to minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So the value is minus 1 by 2 plus this is cos of minus theta equal to, cos of minus theta equal to cos theta. So this is again cos 24. So if you are again multiplying this, so this is what, 2 gets cancelled, minus cos 12 degrees plus 2 cos 12 into this, 2 cos 12 degrees into cos of 24 degrees. Multiplication, 2 gets cancelled, so minus cos 12, 2 into 2 cos 12 into cos 24 degrees. Again this is same formula, 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. So that is minus cos 12 degrees plus cos of a plus b. So this is what? Cos of 12 degrees plus 24 degrees plus cos of a minus b, 12 degrees minus 24 degrees. So this is minus cos 12 degrees plus cos 36 degrees plus cos of minus 12 degrees. You know that cos of minus theta equal to what? Cos theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. So this is equal to minus cos 12 degrees plus cos 36 degrees and plus this is cos 12 degrees. Cos 12 minus cos 12 gets cancelled. That is equal to cos of 36 degrees. Okay, this is the result. Next problem. Prove that sin 10 degrees plus sin of 20 degrees plus sin of 40 degrees plus sin of 50 sin 50 degrees is equal to sin 70 plus sin of 80 degrees. So prove this result. Same, this transformation completely depend on these only four formulas: sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D, and cos C minus cos D. Now you can write these two as one combination, that is sin 50 degrees plus sin 10 degrees. This is one combination, plus this is a sin 40 degrees plus sin 20 degrees is one combination. Okay, now by applying sin C plus sin D form, the formula is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. So this is the formula: 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So this is sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D 50 plus 10 by 2 into cos of 50 minus 10 degrees by 2 plus this is also same 2 sin C plus D 40 degrees plus 20 degrees by 2 into cos of this is 40 degrees minus 20 degrees by 2. So this is 2 into, so this is sin 60 by 2 30 degrees into cos of this is 40 degrees by 2, that is 20 degrees plus this is 2 into, so this is also sine 60 by 2 means 30 degrees into cos of, so 60, 40 minus 20, 20 by 2, so that is 10 degrees. Now we know the value of sine 30 degrees, that is equal to 2 into sine 30 1 by 2 into cos 20 degrees, 2 into cos 30 1 by 2, sorry, sine 30 is also 1 by 2 into cos 10 degrees. So these two cancel, so that is equal to cos 20 degrees plus cos 10 degrees. So this is also correct answer, but we have to show that in terms of, so in terms of, so this is not, this is 80, not 18, 80 degrees in terms of sine. So this is cos of 20 can be written as 90 degrees minus 70 degrees. 90 minus 70 is 20. This is cos of 90 degrees minus 80 degrees. Okay, 90 minus 80 is what? 10 degrees. Why you are writing this? Up to this is enough, but it is given to show that in terms of sine. So cos of 90 minus theta equal what? Sin theta. Sine 70 degrees. Cos of 90 minus theta equal what? Sine. So that is sine 80 degrees. Okay. So this is the our required result. Next one. Next one. If cos x plus cos y is equal to 4 by 5 and cos x minus cos y is equal to 2 by 5. 2 by 7, not 5, 2 by 7. Then the value of, find the value of 14 tan of x minus y by 2 plus 5 cot x plus y by 2 is equal to cos x plus cos y is equal to 4 by 5, cos x minus cos y equal to 2 by 7. Now this is, let it be first one and this is second one. Now we have to consider first one by second one. What is first one? Cos x plus cos y by second one cos x minus cos y is equal to 4 by 5 by 2 by 7. That is equal to 4 by 5 into 7 by 2. So 2 times cancel. This is 14 by 5. 14 by 5. Now this is cos c plus cos d form. Applying cos c plus cos d. What is cos c plus cos d? 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2 by, now cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. So these are the formulas. Okay, minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2 is equal to 14 by 5. There 2 cancel, 2 gets cancelled. Okay, cos by sin, cos, so sin I can write in place of, this is what, minus 2 sin, so this is x plus y by 2 into, this is the sin of x minus y by 2, not AB. So 2 gets cancelled. Now this is cos x plus y by 2 by sin x plus y by 2, which is, minus is already there, minus, so this is the cot of x plus y by 2, and this is also cos by sin, so this is, right, what, cot of x minus y by 2 is equal to 14 by 5. This you write 1 by 10, or this you write 1 by 10. Which one we have to write in terms of 10? Either this or this. Just once you go through this one. Tan of x minus y by 2. So this convert in terms of tan. So this is minus cot of x plus y by 2. And this is what? 1 by, so this is the tan of x minus y by 2 is equal to 14 by 5. Now by cross multiplication, this, that is equal to what? So this is 14 into, so this is the tan of x minus y by 2 is equal to 5 into this, minus is there, minus 5 into cot of x plus y by 2. If I you take this side, that implies what? So that is 14 tan of x minus y by 2 plus this, you write this term, that becomes plus 5 into, so this is cot of x plus y by 2 is equal to 0. So answer is what? 0. Next one, if m sin b is equal to n into sin of 2a plus b, then prove that m plus n tan a is equal to m minus n into tan of a plus b. Okay, this you write n, take this side, m by n is equal to sin b, take this side, so this is the sin of 2a plus b by sin b. Now we are applying the componendo and the dividendo by, what is componendo and dividendo? Componendo and the dividendo, his rule is what? If a by b is equal to c by d, implies a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. So this is called componendo and dividendo rule. A by b is equal to c by d, implies a plus b by a minus b equal to c plus d by c minus d. So this is componendo and dividendo rule. Now by componendo and dividendo, so this is what? M plus n by m minus n is equal to, so this is a sin 2a plus b plus sin b by, so this is a sin of 2a plus b minus sin b. Now again we are applying the formula sin c plus sin d by sin c minus sin d form. So this is m plus n by m minus n is equal to, again I write the formula here, this is sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos of c minus d by 2, that is sin c plus sin d. And what about sin c minus sin d form? Is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. So these are the formulas for sin c plus sin d and sin c minus sin d. So this is equal to sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2, 2a plus b by 2 into cos of 2a plus b minus b by 2 by, so this is 2 cos 2a plus b by 2 into sin of 2a plus b minus b by 2. Okay, 2 gets cancelled. This is equal to sin of 2a plus 2b by 2, that if you take 2 common, a plus b by 2 to cancel, into this is cos of b gets cancelled, 2a by 2 is a by, this is cos of 2 common, a plus b by 2 to cancel, and this gets cancelled, that is equal to sin a. Okay, this is equal to, so this is sin of a plus b by cos of a plus b, which is, this is the tan of a plus b into cos a by sin a, which is cot a. This is m plus n by m minus n is equal to. Now this also you can convert 1 by tan a. Why? Because both sides are tan is there. So that is equal to m plus n by m minus n. So this is m plus n by m minus n is equal to tan of a plus b by, so this cot is 1 by tan a by tan a. So by cross multiplication, so this is m plus n into tan a is equal to m minus n into tan of a plus b. So this is the required result. So they're applying componendo and dividendo concept. So this is componendo and dividendo. By componendo and dividendo, C and D means what? Componendo and dividendo. So this is the rule, componendo dividendo rule. So I will give you one problem based on same model. If tan of a plus b is equal to lambda into tan of a minus b, then show that, so this is lambda plus 1 into sin 2b is equal to lambda minus 1 into sin 2a. Okay, just to try this problem. So by applying the same, what about lambda is equal to, so this is the tan of a plus b by tan of a minus b. Lambda means lambda by 1. Now this also by applying componendo dividendo. Just to try this sum by C and D. So lambda plus 1 by lambda minus 1 is equal to, this is what, tan of a plus b plus tan of a minus b by, so this is tan of a plus b minus tan of a minus b. Now tan of a plus b can be written as sin of a plus b by cos of a plus b. Sin of a minus b by cos of a minus b. Denominator also write like this, and then taking LCM, denominators both gets cancelled. After that, numerator is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. So directly you get the answer. Okay, you have to complete this problem. Thank you.